So anytime, in fact, every single time this has happened, every time I've made this and I've had people over for a barbecue or kind of buffet type thing, I make this egg and potato salad and it's always the biggest hit. It's the thing that people always ask me about. It's probably not the healthiest thing. There's loads of different cheese in there, mayonnaise. It's absolutely delicious. But yeah, that's always a winner every time I make it. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got 8 hard-boiled eggs there and 4 or 5 cups of cooked potatoes. I peeled them, cooked them in some salted water. Let's move on and make this super cheesy dressing. So we have 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 cup of cream cheese, like a Philadelphia cheese, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, half a cup onion, half a cup parsley or some other fresh herb that you might want, a teaspoon of black pepper, a couple of teaspoons of garlic. We're going to give that a little mix. So a mixing bowl, cup of mayo, in that goes. Half a cup onion. I'm using red onion, but if you wanted something more mild, you could go for like a kind of green onion or something. Half a cup cilantro or fresh herb. Black pepper, little bit of garlic. 1 cup Parmesan cheese. 1 cup cream cheese, like a Philadelphia type cheese. In we go. So, potatoes and eggs chopped. We're now going to get our incredibly creamy mixture here. And we're going to fold that in. We're still not finished, by the way. There's more cheese to come. Now, if you want job done, that's fine, but I'm going to go for some more cheese. I've got a Wensleydale here. We've got cranberries in there as well. So I'm just going to chop that up, break it up and get it in as well. And that's job done. Just going to finish that off with a little bit of sweet paprika. This is always a massive hit. Every time I do a dinner party, a barbecue or something, if I make this, everything else gets overshadowed. People always asking me, what is that? Well, now you know. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.